Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Select the Dodge tool from the toolbar, or press the letter O, and set the range option to midtones with an exposure around 10%. Gently brush over areas you want to brighten, like cheekbones or a subject's forehead, building up the effect gradually rather than all at once. Press Shift-O to cycle to the Burn tool, which darkens areas the same way. Use it along jaw lines or the edges of a frame to add subtle depth. For a safer, non-destructive approach, create a new layer set to Overlay Blend mode, then paint with white to dodge and black to burn instead. Build these adjustments slowly, and your images will gain dimension that flat lighting alone can't provide.